औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम टू माय ऑल व्यूवर्स। उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब खैरियत से होंगे और मेरी अल्लाह पाक से हमेशा यही दुआ होती है कि अल्लाह पाक आप लोगों को जहाँ भी रखे अपनी खैर में रखे, अपनी सलामती में रखे और अपने सिवा इस दुनिया में किसी का मोहताज ना करे। आमीन सुम आमीन। सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डू इंग्लिश। दिस इज़ फॉर क्लास 7th. In English we will do chapter number 1, that is light in the night. So this is the chapter. If anyone wants its briefing, so you can tell me in comment section. I will definitely make another video for you people. इसकी ब्रीफिंग के लिए अगर आप लोगों को कुछ समझना है तो आप लोग मुझे बता दीजिएगा, मैं आप लोगों के लिए बना दूँगी वीडियो। सो पेज नंबर 10 पे है ये इसकी कॉम्प्रीहेंशन। सबसे पहले एक्सरसाइज में ए नंबर 1 इज़ आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस. सो आई हैव मेड द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स फॉर यू. लेट्स स्टार्ट. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज़ बिफोर स्ट्रीट लैम्प्स वर इंट्रोड्यूस्ड. मतलब पूरा क्वेश्चन जो है वो काफ़ी लंबा है तो मैंने डॉट्स डालकर जो है वो आगे लास्ट वर्ड लिख दिया है. आप लोग जो है वो कंप्लीट बुक से देख लीजिएगा. बिफोर स्ट्रीट लैम्प्स वर इंट्रोड्यूस्ड व्हाट डिड पीपल डू इन क्लाउडलेस मून नाइट्स. व्हाट डिड दे नीड टू वेट फॉर दीज कंडीशंस. सो आंसर इज बिफोर स्ट्रीट लैम्प्स वर इंट्रोड्यूस्ड people would take advantage of the moonlight and cloudless nights and go out to socialize. If the moonlight was hidden by clouds or if the moon was not full or nearly full, there would be no light when it was dark because there were no street lamps. Question number 2 is B is before street lamps were introduced, what were the dangers that people faced? They went out at night. Answer is before street lamps were introduced, the danger that people faced if they went out at night were that they could trip, fall and injure themselves. That is INJURE, injure themselves or down if they fell into water or be attacked or robbed. Question number C is who were link boys and what did they do? Answer is the link boys were young men who could for a small bee hold a burning torch or lamp ahead of people so that they could see the way through the dark streets. Question number D is what did the work of lamplighter involve? Answer is at first in Paris, the work of a lamplighter involved for payment putting up a lamp outside the house of their employer and making sure it was lit. Once street lamps had been introduced, the lamplighter work changed. They would walk the same route twice a day, and as they checked, cleaned, fixed, lit, till or put out the lights, they would notice what was going on down around them. Many lamplighters helped to make their route safer. Question number E is roughly how many gas lamps are there in London today? So answer is in London today there are roughly 1500 gas lamps. Question number F is how many people are employed to light these lamps today? Answer is 5 people are employed to light these lamps today. Question number G is what were some of the unpleasant aspects of the early oil lamps? Answer is some of the unpleasant aspects of the early oil lamps were that the oil in them had an unpleasant odor and they had to be carefully cleaned and maintained so that the glass did not get dirty. So come to another one, that is these questions are more difficult. Discuss them first. J is what did the German tourist in London say was the effect of the street lamps, and H is how did the introduction of gas lamps change the work of a lamplighter. So I have done it for you. Come to the answer. The German tourist in London said that the street lamps made the city seems festive, brackets open, cheerful, bracket cheerful, and jovially celebrity, bracket close. Answer of K is the gas lamps did not require the same amount of work as the oil lamps. They were much quicker to light, and that was all that needed to be done. They did not to be maintained. No oil, no leaks. So the work was greatly reduced and recorded fewer skills. They had an impact on the status and place in the community of lamplighters. Okay, viewers, so today we have done these two exercises, question number 1 and question number 2, that is A, comprehension. होपफुली आप लोगों को आज की वीडियो बहुत फ़ायदेमंद रही होगी. अगर आप लोगों को वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो चैनल को लाइक कर दीजिएगा, वीडियो को शेयर कर दीजिएगा, और चैनल पर अगर न्यू है तो प्लीज़ इसको सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा. इंशाल्लाह ताला नेक्स्ट वीडियो में न्यू एक्सरसाइज के साथ आपके सामने हाजिर होंगी. तब तक के लिए अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा और दुआओं में याद रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.